Hello, and welcome to Montgomery County Recreation. This video will walk you through the process on how to make a reservation for a swim session at one of our indoor or outdoor pools. Remember that due to the COVID-19 restrictions that are currently in place, every person wishing to visit one of our pools must have a reservation. The first thing you need to do is log into your ActiveMontgomery account. You can do this by visiting www.activemontgomery.org and entering your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see this home screen. The second thing we'll do is ensure that the pool pass is on our account. You must have a valid pool pass in order to make a reservation. You can check your pool pass by coming up here to the upper right corner and clicking on My Account. Once you click on My Account, look under Account Activity and click on My Memberships and Usage. Once on this screen, you should see your pool pass listed here under Package. Should it not be listed here, please stop and contact our customer service team for further assistance. If your pool pass is here, great, you're ready to move on to make a reservation. To make a reservation, you simply click on the Reservation tab. It is available from this screen. It is also available from the home screen. Once you click on Reservations, come down and click on Quick Reserve. On the Quick Reserve screen, simply click Reservation Group and scroll down to select Recreation Swim Reservation. Next, enter the date that you would like to go to the pool. And then click Check Availability. Once you're on this screen, you will see the names of the pools listed down in the first column. You'll also see the hours available listed across the top. In the Event Name section, enter the name of an adult that will be attending the swim session. It could be your name or a spouse's name. Then scroll down till you get to the pool where you would like to attend. We're going to make a reservation today for the Upper County Outdoor Pool. In this box here, enter the number of individuals that will be attending the swim session with you. Remember, everybody who goes to the pool must have a pool pass. If you are all under one family pass, that's fine. One reservation will suffice. Simply enter in this box the number of individuals that will be attending the pool. In our case, it'll be just one. And then select the session you would like to attend. We will be attending the 12 to 2 p.m. session at the Upper County Outdoor Pool. It's a 2-hour session, so go ahead and click both boxes. Continue to scroll down and click on Reserve. It is that simple. Here is your reservation receipt. You see your permit number here. A bit further down, you'll see the date and time that you are reserved for. You'll also see the pool that you've made your reservation for. Ensure that all of this information is correct. You do need to bring a copy of your permit with you to the pool. You can simply click on Print and print out a copy, or you may bring a copy of it on your phone. Once you are done here, simply click on Continue, and it'll take you back to the home screen and you've completed your swim reservation. Should you need any assistance with this process, please feel free to contact our customer service department. You may call us at 240-777-6840, leave a message, and we will call you back. You may also email us at recreation.customersservice@montgomerycountymd.gov. That's recreation.customerservice, all one word, at montgomerycountymd.gov. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you at the pool.